Here we come to the elevator at Shop This on the Square in Hickory. Wonder what brand this is. Oh my gosh, we got Westbrook. This is awesome. With Payne fixtures, nice. Oh, I'm so glad I stopped in here. Oh, this is fast, nice. This was installed in 1963. Epic. Oh, we're going up. Okay. So it's a selective collective controller. Nice. Epic. Fine. Wow, this thing is a gem. Oh my gosh, this thing. Oh, we're going up. Oh, are you going up? You can come in.
Sorry.
What floor would you like? Up to 2?
Yeah.
The indicator works. You have a great day.
You too.
All right, let's see if we can close the door. Oh, can you hear the relay? No, you can't hear the relay. This is like some sort of boutique store, but anyways. Sorry about the interruption, people are getting on. There's your Westbrook elevator logo right there. All right, get a listen to this motor, here we go. Awesome. You can turn the light on and off too. I'm gonna take it for one more ride and that'll be it. Oh, I almost dropped the phone. Oh, we're gonna stop. You're coming in?
Sure.
2 is the only number that works on the indicator. Nice. All right, let's go back down to 1 and end there. Oh my gosh, this thing. Oh, can you see up there? I don't think you can.
No, you can't.
Oh, okay. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna watch it close. That was an absolute gem. I'm gonna get a look at the call station. Wow, beautiful. Yep, this is a Westbrook. All right, I'm gonna have to take some still pictures of this. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.